U.S. stock index futures, they're pointing to a strong positive open this Monday morning as investor sentiment lifted by news the U.S. Senate narrowly passed a major tax bill over the weekend. Meanwhile, on the data front, factory orders set to be published 10 o'clock in the morning, while over in the Forex market, the U.S. dollar higher against the basket of other major currencies after the U.S. Senate passed the tax bill. Now, the euro dollar is where we begin, and that sees consolidation as the relative strength index that's capped by a declining trend line. The British pound U.S. dollar pair sees the downside prevail as the relative strength index shows downside momentum, and the dollar yen pair sees the upside prevail as the relative strength index shows upside momentum. Moving on to the U.S. dollar Canadian dollar pair, that sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus as the pair remains on the downside below its declining moving averages. Short positions below 127.50 are favored, with targets at 126.65 and 126.20 in extension. Onto the Bitcoin dollar, that sees the relative strength index above 50. So as long as 1142.41 is the support, look for support towards 12,455.65. Meanwhile, in precious metals, gold sees consolidation, and that's in focus as gold remains under pressure below its declining moving averages. Short positions below 1283 are favored, with targets at 1270 and 1266 in extension. And lastly, silver sees the downside prevail, preferring short positions below 1658.